Kelly from AMS, and I am here with Jay from Radial. We have the Nuance Select with us here right now. Jay, can you tell us a bit about it?
Sure thing. So it's our brand new monitor controller switcher, just released at the show. What we wanted to really do and set out and make with this product was a monitor controller that didn't mess with your sound. Every monitor controller I've ever used has just colored the sound in some way I didn't like, or had a ton of features that we really didn't want. Just wanted simple switching with good sound quality. So the Nuance Select has two sources, first of all, two sets of speakers and a sub output, so you can switch between two different inputs and out to different speakers. Two separate headphone amps, you can select the source on those as well. And then it has a stereo aux, also source selectable, and that's to feed like a headphone amp out on the studio floor or something like that. Yeah. Mono, mute, and a dim, just like you want on any monitor controller. Again, very simple, but doesn't screw with your sound.
Awesome. Nothing extraneous, just what you need.
Exactly.
Awesome. So when is it available?
I expect to be shipping it in April.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
I also understand you have the HDI here as well, correct?
We do.
Cool. Can we check that out?
For sure.
Awesome. So what can you tell us about the HDI?
All right. So HDI, we released a couple of years ago when the world was not really moving. So so we kind of still consider it to be brand new. This is our ultra premium direct box. So no expense spared, best sounding, most fun to use DI for in the studio or live. This one has what we call a color control, and it really drives the transformer to give a lot of saturation. So this DI can be as clean as you want it to be, but then it can also sound like an Ampeg SVT amp.
Cool.
So it's a lot of fun, looks nice and classic with the VU meter, and just able to really tweak the knobs and get a sound that you want really, really quickly, not having to use an amplifier, or can also go out to an amplifier as well.
Right, but it's all you really need, right?
All we really need.
Cool, awesome. Do you mind if we check out the Power 1 and the Power 2?
Absolutely, let's go.
Cool, let's go. So tell us about the Power 1 and 2.
Power 1 and Power 2 are, people refer to them as power conditioners, but they're really surge suppressors. Power hookups to protect your equipment. And provide a little bit of filtering, make sure that there's no noise and junk going into your system. So Power 1 is your basic, 3 outlets on the front, 8 outlets on the back. You just want protection, put it into the rack and get all of your gear plugged into that. Power 2 adds a tray. We don't have it plugged in right now, but this has a multicolor LED to illuminate your gear that's in the rack below. Both of them have USB on the front, so you can plug in your phone or whatever device needs to be charged. Just a little extra feature, but simple, really very high quality protection for all your gear that you have plugged in.
Thank you so much, Jay. Head on over to AmericanMusical.com and check out the Nuance Select, the HDI, and the Power 1 and 2, as well as all the awesome Radial products that we sell.